Hi everyone, I'm the Cornish Witch and welcome to my first unboxing video. The box arrived yesterday. I've been so excited, I was dying to open it. I didn't have time to film a video yesterday. So I've literally just opened the lid on this box and got it ready so that I can just open it with you guys. So excited. Okay, forgive the camera shake. I haven't got anything to position the camera on for this. So here we have the little booklet. I know kind of the standard thing that comes with the booklet, with the boxes, because I've watched so many of these videos. But here we have the March box. And this box is themed around the earth element, which is really exciting for me because I consider myself a green witch. Right, let's get on with it. I'm not going to look through this yet until we've looked at all the things in the box. So here we have our first spell. This is a headache spell relief kit. Just open this one up and have a look to see what's inside. Okay, so inside here we have a little cards on the method of the spell. Ooh. We have some herbs, and according to the ingredients lists, this is going to be dried peppermint. I love peppermint, it's my favourite. We've got a little bag. A length of red cord. And oh, I can hear it. Maybe there was something else in here. Oh, cute. It is a tiny little charm. It's a little skull. You see that? I hope you can see that okay on the camera. It's a tiny little skull charm, like a bead with a hole through it. Very cute. So that is our kit for our headache relief spell. Oh, what next? So here we have got this beautiful little earth card. And on the back this says this is a positive affirmation card. Write your positive thoughts here and repeat them to yourself each morning. Isn't it pretty? I love that. Oh, very exciting, very exciting. A badge. I love a badge. I have no idea where I'm going to put it yet, but I'm sure I'll find a good home for it. Fabulous. Next up, we have got a little charm bracelet used to collect your magical charms. Wear it as a bracelet or hang in your home. Very pretty. Here we have a little cards with, I think, correspondences for Earth. So we've got plants and herbs, the Earth's related chakra, symbolism, colours, crystals. Fabulous. And at the bottom we've got zodiac there. I am a Taurus, so I am a classic Earth sign. Lovely. Oh, next we've got some green tissue paper. Ooh, look at this. I think this is, well, clearly this is why the box was so big. I was thinking the box was a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Look at this. Look at this beautiful wooden box. Excellent. Right, I think I'm going to have to cut this plastic. Give me just a second to get it out of this plastic. I'm so impressed with this box. But I think I'm going to open it properly at the end so I can move the cardboard box out of the way to open it. Okay, what do we have next in here? We've got a little card here that looks as though it goes with a crystal. Where is the crystal? Ooh. We have a little green bag here with a crystal inside. So this, according to the little card here, this is unikites. And it looks like this. It's a lovely earthy colour. Very going with the earth element. I've ruined my nail varnish, as you can see. Wasn't completely dry. Very nice. I've not got one of those. That is excellent. Oh, it says a magical charm. This probably goes with the bracelets. Oh, look! It's a little pentagram. Brilliant. Quite excited to make a little witchy charm bracelet. Fabulous. What else have we got in here? Is there anything? Oh, we have got a little, don't want that. We have got a little wooden scoop with a little tree of life on the top of it there. That's very cute. I like that. To go with the box of magical herbs, I believe. And next here we have got our scroll. So this scroll is about connecting with earth. Really difficult with one hand. We've got a daytime and an evening grounding ritual. Excellent. Very excited about that. Okay, let's open the box. Right then, on to the box of magical herbs. I'm so excited. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. I like this a lot. Okay, in our top corner, we have some rose petals. I love rose petals. They're very vibrantly coloured, aren't they? And smell amazing. Even through the sealed bag, they smell amazing. Here we have some Dead Sea salts. Perfect. Who doesn't need a bit more salt in their lives? Oh, I've not got any of this. This is some vervain. I keep looking at different spells and seeing that I need vervain for it, and I don't have any. Next, down over here, we've got some parsley. And then, oh, I don't have any of this either. Here we've got some licorice root. Over here, we have a Twoozy who is having a go at the box. And behind him, we have some Christmas presents waiting on friends that have been away. You helpful, Twoos? You help him. Good boy. And then last but not least, we have some thyme. I don't think I've got any thyme at the moment either. I'm a bit besotted with this box. Look how cool it is. Because I think these come out. Oh, yes. I think if I had both hands free, yeah, they would come out. So if you didn't want your box split into 6 little chambers, you could take those out. Very useful box. I'm very happy with this Witchbox. Very excited to get on and start doing things with it. If we have a little look at our little leaflet here, just so we can, we've got this one that's gonna go with it. I'll probably live in there with one of those. So your March box. Let's have a little look through the inside. We have got the list of items included in the box. I love that you get exclusive items with this. Then we have our little how to use your March box. I'm going to take a little bit longer reading through this because it's always nice to have ideas of how to use these items. So we've got week 1 and week 2. And then week 3 and week 4. And then by the end of week 4, I will be awaiting my second Witchbox. Hopefully by then, I'll have figured out a better way to position my camera. Because doing everything one-handed has been a little bit frustrating. And I'm sure the quality of this video isn't going to be great. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you will bear with me while I figure out these technical issues. And hopefully be able to make my videos a little bit more polished. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please follow and subscribe to me. Thank you again. Bye.